Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions, and feel free to leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Enjoy the video. Sometime in February 2023, an officer with the LaPorte Police Department was on patrol when he casually recognized a local sex offender getting into a white truck. This sex offender is apparently so well known that the officer even knew his driver's license was suspended off the top of his head. That might not seem very impressive, but this officer didn't even remember to enter the correct date on his report, so details are not his strong suit. Yes, I'm talking about you, Officer Dalton. Anyways, the crackhead arrested in this video was convicted of 2 counts of indecency with a child in Tarrant County. Fast forward to 2021, and he was charged with 2 different counts of failing to register as a sex offender in Harris County. It's almost like Stephen Campbell doesn't want people knowing that he is a pedophile. So just in case anyone asks, Stephen Campbell is definitely not a twice convicted pedophile.
Casual, sir. Hey, so your license is still suspended. What's your last name? Yeah, it's still suspended, man. You got it on you? 6 now. Why the 450 for the parking lot? Why are you driving though? It's suspended still. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is there anything on you I need to know about? Is there anything on you I need to know about? Okay. Nothing like that on you right now? Promise? Okay, alright. Just sit tight right with you. Hey, so you don't have nothing on you right now? No. Would you mind if I had a quick look in your car just to make sure you don't have no narcotics on you?
5 minutes. I got 3 minutes to take.
So that's a no?
I mean,
I'm just asking. You can hear that to say no. It's your constitutional right to deny a search. I don't have a warrant. You don't have nothing on you?
no.
So no to the search?
Huh?
No to a search?
Or not.
Okay, hop on out for me real quick. Hop on out for me real quick.
Huh?
Hop on out for me real quick. Well, I'm gonna run my dog first.
Huh?
I'm gonna run my dog, so you're saying I can't search.
No,
No,
actually, you can search.
no, it's okay. Hop on out for me though. Real quick.
You can search, man.
There's nothing in the car at all?
No, sir. No, sir.
You
I
promise?
got a knife.
Do you mind tossing that in the seat real quick?
Okay, good.
So what are you doing for work right now?
Sir?
What are you doing for work?
I work for a trucking company.
You can...
Yeah. I work for a trucking company right here on 16th Street.
Okay, what do you do with them?
Huh? I'm a dispatcher.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not driving.
Alright, walk back here for me. So you are going to get a citation for driving while license is valid, okay? If I can get you a sign here that says safety accused. Not admission of guilt, just promise to appear for the court date of March 8th at 9 a.m., okay? Alright, you can sign right here that says safety accused, not admission of guilt. Alright, so you're cool if I have a quick look?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
I don't have
you
a
can say
choice.
no.
I mean,
You do have a choice. If, no, I'm going to run my dog. Here, stand right here.
I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
No. Stand by my car. I'm just going to run my dog. Because if you're not certain about it, I don't want you to feel pressure.
I'm not trying to give you a hard
No,
time.
you're fine. Just stay right here.
You know, I'm trying to.
I'll be quick. Let's go work. Just hold on to this for me. 6 now, sit here. Let's go work. Let's go work. You mind standing back here for me? Hey, can you stand back here? Yeah. Fire. Come here. Fire. Let's go, boys. Go, boys. Go, boys. Go, boys. 6-9 lock in over here. What's up, boy? Come on. Canine over here.
Yes, sir. Log in or 1211.
Alright, he alerted on that driver door. Is there anything in the car?
I'm sorry?
Is he alerted on that driver's side door?
On the driver's door?
Or the passenger side door, I'm sorry. Is there anything in the car you know about? Alright, so here, what I'm gonna do, I'm having you sit in the passenger seat, on the back passenger seat. I'm gonna do a quick search. I'll be quick, man. Has there been anything in the car? Come on, this way. We're gonna sit back here. Has there been anything? Well,
Sorry?
You're gonna go sit in the back of my car.
I'm sorry.
Has there been anything in the car recently at all that you need to tell me about?
Dude, come on.
Where are you going? Stand right there. You're gonna sit in the back. You need to
This is my
listen.
job. God.
Why are you going around? You're the one driving around to the stores.
Sir?
You're the one driving around to all the stores, acting like you got all the
I
time
went
in the
over there
room.
to the bank to get some money. I'm going over here to get something to eat.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to do my job. I'm not trying to lose your job. I'll call him for you.
I-
Let you know. Hop on in for me. Is there anything in the car I need to know about?
No, sir.
Okay, hop on in. Hop on
Not
in.
that I'm aware of.
Okay, hop on in for me.
All right?
I'll be quick.
All right.
I don't want you to lose your job either.
And I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
No, I know,
dude.
but no one wants to be stopped by the police. I get it. It's not fun.
I know.
I get it.
I'm fucked. God damn it, man. I'm fucking. No! Fuck. I swear to God it ain't mine.
Hello, it's me.
6-9, I'll have one go down Cassidy, PCS, room next up, Kirk parking lot. How about for me? Turn around.
58-year-old Stephen Campbell was arrested on one felony count of possession of a controlled substance. If convicted, he could face up to 10 years behind bars.
You're under arrest for possession of a controlled substance, okay? You had some ice on you, buddy.
What?
Yeah, right behind that passenger seat.
Where?
Right where my dog alerted, brother.
It's me.
Hold on, where's that go?
All right,
Dude,
come on, have a seat.
Okay, man,
I got some work to do. I got some work to do.
I understand, but I've had two people work for me. I also do.
Have a seat.
Also do repairs.
I'll hear you in a second.
Okay, I also do repairs over here at the motel.
I got you. I'll hear you in a second. Get in. Get in.
Ow.
All right, hop on out for me, boss.
They don't make these things for 6 coffees, do they?
No, mine is smaller because I have the dog. So,
Yeah.
But there was no one else available with the bigger back seat. All right, I'm gonna go right here to the gym. I know I checked you a little bit. Is there anything else I need to know about on you? Any other eyes or anything like that? Pipe, eyes, needle, anything like that?
Nothing.
Okay.
Oh, no, not at all. I was just worried about night.
No, I'm not gonna do that. All right. So I think they're gonna come talk to you. Right, the gentleman. Okay. All right. I'm gonna stand in front of that counter.
Flashlight,
Huh?
flashlight.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I got you. I have an extra one. I have an extra one to bring you one. I think I have one in my car. Maybe.
Alright, what's that shoes you wear?
Floyd.
Okay, can you take those off, turn them upside down for me? Take them out.
That's what. Okay, cool. Good.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.